Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Abdul Wadud Awan, English Department, Absex Ordnance Road. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is unit number 3, Media and its impact. In this lesson, we will learn what is media and what is its impact within a society. As the media is considered as the fourth pillar of state, so what will be its impact within a society of a state we will discuss. Let's discuss the learning outcome of this lesson or objectives of this lesson or what is the purpose of reading this lesson. Learning outcomes are by the end of this unit, students will be able to know the role and impact of media on society. Second one is conduct and write an interview. Third one is illustrate the use of pronouns learned earlier. Fourth one is identify subject verb agreement, and the last one is read and write simple emails. As in the exercise of this chapter, sample emails are given. So after completing this unit, you will be able to write an email and you will be able to uh, fulfill all these objectives. This unit is a dialogue between a teacher and students. The name of teacher is Miss Aisha. Let's have a look at the background of this dialogue. Miss Aisha is the favorite teacher of class 9th. The students eagerly attend her class. Miss Aisha enters the classroom with her usual smile, greets the students and takes the roll call. It is their tutorial day. The students are all geared up. They know what is about to come and they are prepared for it. Shall we start? She asks politely. Yes, the students nod. Then the teacher says, okay, as we have decided earlier, the topic for today's discussion is the role of media and its impact. To start with, let me state clearly that media is the most powerful mode of communication. It shares news and informations with the people. Sometimes media spreads false news, but generally it informs us about the facts around us. Do you agree? And all the students say, yes, we do. Student 1, I would like to add a bit more to it. And the teacher says, yes, sure. Here are two questions. First one is guess the meanings of tutorial. You have to search the meanings of tutorials by using the dictionary. Second one is what type of information does media provides? As in the first dialogue of teacher, we have learned about about the answer of this question. Let's move next towards the next segment. Student 1 says media helps people to share knowledge of the world. Their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. Media attracts the attention of a very large audience. Have you noticed that the first thing we do soon after entering the house is to switch on the television? Then the teacher says there is no doubt about it. The discussion continues, and the student 2 says, let me say that media has become a part of our life. It not only informs us but also entertains us. Then the teacher says, absolutely right. Well, do you have any idea about the two major means of communication? Now, the two major means of communication are discussed, or the two major types of media are discussed. The student 3 replies, there are two means of communication, electronic media and print media. The media includes films, radio, television, internet, books, magazines, and newspaper. It provides us information as well as entertainment. Electronic media includes all the gadgets that work on that are electronic, and the print media that are in the form of prints. Then the teacher says, good, it's it's through media that the world has become a global village. There is coverage of all the important events of the world on television. We can have any and easy access to all kind of informations through media. The discussion continues and the student 4 says, can we say that the world is just a click away? Then the teacher says, maybe well, would any other student like to say something on it? Then the student 5 replies, ma'am, in my opinion, media plays a very constructive role for the society. It raises awareness about many social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction, and violation of human rights. Then the teacher replies, yes, you're right. And the student 6 says, media has also become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Mouthpiece of downtrodden, this is the most important function that the media performs nowadays. And here, downtrodden means oppressed persons. The teacher replies and says, yes, well said. It would not be wrong to say that media is the most vigilant institution that keeps an eye on every segment of the society. Through debate, reports, and talk shows, it makes everyone answerable and accountable. That's why media has become an integral part of our life. Now, I would invite one of you to sum up the discussion. These are the remarks of a teacher. Student 1 concludes the discussion and says, I would conclude the discussion by saying that media can play a positive role and has a corrective impact if it works honestly. Then teacher says, good conclusion. I am happy that all of you have participated in the discussion and have expressed yourselves very much, very well. And at the end, the theme of the lesson is given, that is, the theme of the unit is to highlight the role of impact of media. It tells them that media can mold the opinion and mindset of people. It has a deep impact on the lives of the people. Media has turned the world into a global village. This is so. In this unit, we have discussed what is media and what is the importance of media in our society. What is the role that media can play to for the betterment of the society. We have discussed in this unit. At the end of this lesson, here is assignment for you, and the assignment is find out the synonyms of difficult words. You have to find out the synonyms of the difficult words that are discussed in this chapter. Second one is answer the questions based on unit, and the last one is write the review in your own words. After reading this unit, you have to write the review of this, and you have to write the what are the what are positive and negative aspects of the media.